Hello everybody, this is Dr. Kukreja A. Kalani and I'm here to speak about PTSD, that is the post-trauma stress related disorder. So when we talk about trauma, it could be related to a short or a long-term physical or mental abuse, domestic violence, or the patient may have experienced an accident or loss of the loved one, which has been very, very sudden, or there's been, he has seen some wartime episodes or epidemic related events. So these are the common factors which can lead to this stress disorder. Now, what are the symptoms? He experiences the constant tormenting thoughts, nightmares, and visions about the same thing. He relives the same moment over and over again. And to escape from these thoughts, he tries and avoid all those situations or people who remind him of the old trauma. This leads to mood disorders. It also leads to, the people get addicted. To escape from these thoughts, they get addicted to drugs, alcohol. There are thoughts of suicide. So it's very important to ventilate the patient, try and understand the trauma he has been through. So CBT is very, very important because it helps in knowing the patient well and, trying and explaining them that, how they can come out of this difficult situation. But at times there are medicines needed, antidepressants, so as to help them not get into severe mood disorders. So this is all about PTSD.